of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to f of x for on x, where I come over here fixed positive real numbers, then what is the value of 1 by a plus b into integral a to b x into f of x plus f of 1 by x into dx. We want to find that integration value. So first we are taking the value is equals to I is equals to 1 by a plus b into integral a to b x into f of x plus f of 1 plus x into dx. Now we are applying the formula integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Very important formula, which is a very well known formula of definite integration. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b a plus b minus x into dx. Now we are applying this formula here, that is I is equals to 1 by a plus b into integral a to b x. What is x value? In place of x we are taking the value a plus b minus x into f of x. Again, what is x value? A plus b minus 6 plus f of 1 plus, again x value is equals to a plus b minus 6 into dx. Now this is equals to I is equals to 1 by a plus b into integral a to b a plus b minus 6 into f of a plus b minus 6. So f of a plus b minus 6 is nothing but here we have the value of f of x. F of x is equal to f of a plus b plus 1 minus 6. Now we are finding the value of f of x plus 1. What is f of x plus 1 value? F of a plus b plus 1 minus 6. In place of x we take x plus 1, then what it returns? 1 minus 6 minus 1, which returns the value only minus 6. That is the value of f of x plus 1 is equals to f of a plus b minus 6. So in place of f of a plus b minus 6, we are taking the value f of x plus 1 here. Now this is f of x plus 1 plus this is f of a plus b minus x plus 1. A plus b plus 1 minus 6 is nothing but f of x. Now in place of this value we take f of x into dx. Now this is first equation, this second equation. Now adding equations 1 and 2, which is the first equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Adding the equations 1 and 2 now. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 implies 2I is equals to 1 by a plus b into 1 by a plus b, 1 by a plus b. Taking common, integral a to b, integral a to b, integral a to b. Now this is f of x plus f of 1 plus x, f of x plus f of 1 plus x. That is f of x plus f of 1 plus x into, now writing the remaining terms, a plus b minus x plus x. A plus b minus 6 plus 6 into dx. Now here minus 6 plus 6 gets cancelled. Now the remaining term is here only a plus b. The remaining term is here only a plus b, and here this a plus b by a plus b gets cancelled, which implies the value of 2I is equals to integral a to b f of x plus f of 1 plus 6 into dx. Now we have to find this value. The integration to both of the terms, integral a to b f of x dx plus integral a to b f of 1 plus x into dx, and this is equals to integral a to b f of x dx plus integral a to b f of x plus 1. What is f of x plus 1 value? Which is nothing but f of a plus b minus x. So taking the value here, a plus b minus x into dx. Again we have, this is equals to integral a to b f of x dx plus, again we apply the formula here, which is integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. F of a plus b minus x dx, that is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx is equals to integral a to b f of x dx. In place of this one we can take this value, that is integral a to b f of x dx. Now this is equals to, therefore 2I is equals to 2 into integral a to b f of x dx, which implies the value of I is equals to integral a to b f of x dx. Now here we take the value x is equals to t plus 1. Then what is dx value? Dx is equals to dt. Therefore I is equals to integral, first limit value a here. So x is equals to a. X is equal to a means what is t value? T is equal to a minus 1. And b value, x is equals to b. X is equal to b means t value is equals to b minus 1. F of x value, x is equal to t plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Therefore the answer is I is equals to integral a minus 1 to b minus 1. This is f of t plus 1 into dt. We can take the variable t as x, that is the answer is f of x plus 1 into dx within the limits a minus 1 to b minus 1, and this is the third option. Problem, let P be a plane passing through the points 2, 1, 0, 4, 1, 1 and 5, 0, 1 and R be any point 2, 1, 6, then the image of R in the plane P is. When plane is given, this is the plane passing through the first 3 points. Now what is the image of the point R in this plane? Here R is equal to 2, 1, 6. We want to find the image of this point in the plane P. So first we are finding the plane equation by using the formula x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equals to 0. Now this is the equation of the plane passing through the points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Now we are substituting the values here. X minus, what is x1, y1, z1? 2, 1, 0. This is x1, y1, z1. That is x minus 2, y minus 1, z minus 0. That is z. x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2, 2. y2 minus y1, 1 minus 1, 0. z2 minus z1, 1 minus 0, 1. And next x3 minus x1, 5 minus 3, 2. y3 minus y1, 0 minus 1, minus 1. And z3 minus z1, 1 minus 0, 1 equals to 0. Now finding the dead value, x minus 2 into 0 minus of minus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 minus of y minus 1 into 2 minus 3, minus 1 plus z into minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 is equals to 0. That is x minus 2 plus y minus 1 minus 2z is equals to 0. That is x plus y minus 2z minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the plane. Now we want the image of 2, 1, 6. So we are taking the point x1, y1, z1 is equals to 2, 1, 6. Now we are finding the image of the point with respect to the plane by using the formula h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to l minus z1 by c is equals to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus dy a square plus b square plus c square. Now we are substituting the values here. The values of ABC is equals to 1, 1 minus 2. So h minus 2 by 1 is equals to k minus 1 by 1 is equals to l minus 6 by minus 2 is equals to the point 216 in the epiplane equation, that is 2 plus 1, 3 minus 12 minus 3 pi a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. Now here this is equals to 24 by 6 and 24 by 6 is equal to 4. That is h minus 2 by 1 is equal to 4. Then h is equal to 6. 4 plus 2. And k minus 1 by 1 is equal to 4. Then k is equals to 5. And last value L minus 6 by minus 2 is equals to 4. Then L is equals to minus 8 plus 6, that is minus 2. Therefore the value of image is equals to 6, 5 minus 2, which is the second option.